Given f of x equals 2x to the fourth minus 2x cubed plus 6x, determine all relative extrema. We are using the second derivative test for this. So this is what we have to do. Step one is we have to find all of our critical points. Okay, so any critical point we'll call C. Step two is once we have that, we throw that into the second derivative. If it's positive, that means it's concave up, and at that C, we have ourselves a relative minimum. If we plug in that C, which represents a relative maximum or a minimum, and it's negative, that means it's concave down. And at that moment, we have a relative maximum. So what we have to do is we have to find the first derivative first. So f prime of x equals 2 times, actually it's going to be 8, sorry, 8 x to the third minus 24x squared plus nothing. Let's set that equal to 0 to find our critical points. Let's factor out an 8x squared, and that leaves me with x minus 3. Okay, now multiplicity of 2 scares me a little bit, but I still get x equals 0, and I get x equals 3. Now what I haven't figured out yet is what f double prime is. So f double prime of x is going to be 24x cubed minus 48x. And with that scaring me a little bit, with that multiplicity of 2 scaring me a little bit, that's going to remind me that f double prime of c, if it equals 0, is going to be an inflection point. Okay, so neither of that. Neither of that. But we'll see if we have to worry about that. We might. So I have 0 and 3. So f double prime of 0 is going to be 24 times 0 cubed. Remember a second ago how I said that we'll see if we have to worry about it? Well, guess what we just got? We just got an inflection point, which is not a type of extrema. So 0 ain't it. F double prime of 3 is going to be 24 times 3 cubed minus 48 times 3. That's going to be 24 times 9 minus 48 times 3, which is going to be, I don't know, 200 something minus like 100 something. So based off of that information, I'm just going to say it's positive because it is. So f double prime of 3 being positive tells us that we have a relative minimum at 3. So the relative min is going to exist at x equals 3. That's how you do it.